What's up, my people? Welcome to Future Drive with Saglev. And today, a man of style, a man of class. This guy definitely knows his cars. He knows the ins and outs of cars, and he's a very fashionable man. Entrepreneur himself, ladies and gentlemen. My guy Leo is in the building. What's up, brother?
Dadaboy, always a pleasure to see you.
Always, baby. Looking clean as usual. You understand?
We thank God.
If we're the same height, I'm not going to read your wardrobe, but we're the same size. So I can still.
Bro,
You ready for the
see
future?
some kind of Transformers logo.
Yeah!
This car will transform.
What's the longest road trip you've been in?
I've driven from Port Harcourt to Lagos. I'm a driver.
You ready? Here we go.
Yes.
Okay.
What?
What if I told you that Saglev says, okay, Leo, you're gonna have this car for one day. How'd that make you feel?
Saglev, let them give me forever. One day, why one day?